This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull away the centre cap. A tool is provided in the vehicle toolkit. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the flange. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Use a workshop jack to raise the trailing arm slightly. Undo the nut and remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Prise the shock absorber from the trailing arm. Undo the upper mounting bolts and withdraw the shock absorber from the wheel arch. If required, prise off the plastic cap, then unscrew the mounting nut whilst counter-holding the piston rod. Remove the upper mounting bracket, followed by the bump stop and protector. Slide the protector and bump stop over the piston rod, then fit the upper mounting bracket. Fit the new retaining nut and tighten it to the specified torque. Refit the plastic cap. Manoeuvre the shock absorber into position. Then insert the upper mounting bolts and tighten them to the specified torque and angle. Align the lower end of the shock absorber with the trailing arm. Then insert the bolt and fit the nut. Raise the trailing arm, then tighten the nut and bolt to the specified torque and angle. Lower the trailing arm. Locate the wheel over the hub and align the bolt holes. Insert the bolts, then lightly tighten them. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts to the specified torque. Press the centre cap into place.